Siblings rivalry. Tips to handle it. Number 1. Don't interfere till not required. When we interfere, children tend to fight more for our attention. And also, they do not learn to resolve conflicts on their own. Number 2. Don't pick sides. When we pick sides or try to be fair, fights increases because children want to see whose side will you take this time. Number 3. If you need to interfere, try not to give solutions. Instead of trying to solve the fights, empathize with their feelings and ask open-ended questions like, what do you think we can do about this now? Number 4. Make fights disadvantageous. Let them get the message that instead of getting anything by fighting, they will lose something. Example, if they are fighting for a toy, you can just take away that toy for some time from both of them. Number 5. You need to be calm and be the adult in the situation. It may be intimidating to see siblings fighting, but remember, it's completely normal. When you will be calm, you will be able to handle the situation much better. Siblings do fight. We just need to accept and deal with them in the right way. How we handle decides a lot about how they will handle. Leave a heart if it helps.